Okay, so we also did the mid-segment investigation. So I drew here. The D is a midpoint between the line A, B, and E is also the midpoint between the line B, C. So in this activity, they're supposed to draw any two different triangles and then indicate their midpoint as shown here. So the midpoint is exactly, if you measure from here to here, you must get the same thing as from here to the point. And then I asked them after that, they should join the two midpoints and measure that midpoint and then measure their base length, which is AC. And that here, they did that, and they realized that when they measure the midpoint DE, they are getting the 5, and AC was always giving them 10. So here we're able to conclude that the mid-segment theory, which is D, that if we have this mid-segment, is always equals to the half of the base length, or if you multiply the mid-segment length by 2, it must be equals to the base length AC. All right, so we'll investigate the corresponding, the alternate, and the vertical opposite angles. So here we have two parallel lines, and then I ask them to draw their transversal. Okay, transversal is a line that cuts across that parallel lines. They could do it this way, or some of them did it the diagonal up and down way. And then they measure the angle, and they measure this one here, they measure this one here, and they measure that one here. So realize that here and here, they are corresponding. Realize that when we measure this and this, we are getting 109, 108 here, which is really very close. So they see that our corresponding angles are equal. And then another group did the one with data. This one here, they got exactly 130. Remember, they drew their transversal different way. So one of the group also go 130 and 130, which is the same. The one with the red, it kind of a little bit off, 105, 120. So I don't know what they did over there. And the one with the black here, they got 113, 112, which is kind of a little closer. And then the pink also here, we realize this here. So here we realize that this and this are corresponding, and they are also equal. So they see that one too, and we see that here and here are also alternate, and they are of the same angle. And here and this side of here are also corresponding. So we did all that, and then we're able to address this. See that, oh, that's the reason why we say corresponding angles are the same, alternate angles are equal, and vertical opposite angles are equal. We were able to conclude that indeed corresponding, alternate, and vertical opposite angles are congruent. Thank you for watching. Please take a second to like the video, subscribe if you haven't done so, and see you in the next video.